Now, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, welcome to my channel. In this segment, inshallah, we will be seeing how one can read Arabic. You're going to learn how to read Arabic on your own. Arabic is hard, also easy. It's hard when you don't focus, and it's easy when you focus. Arabic is like other languages with the founding letters, or I may call them alphabet letters. Arabic has 28 letters only. 28 letters only. But if you go to other languages, they have many more founding letters. Arabic, it's easy because the letters are always clear. Always clear. Some may be a little bit hard to pronounce, but with much practice and focus, they can be easy. And I know many of you know these letters. These are the 13 letters. They are 28, but we are saying 13 at first in this part. So, before we go any further, Arabic has 28 letters, and they are divided into two. We have Ash-Shamsiyya and Al-Qamariya. The sun letters and the moon letters, or we may call it the solar letters or the lunar letters, depends how you call it. But in Arabic, you have what we call Hurufu Al-Qamariya and Hurufu Ash-Shamsiyya. We will come to see them, inshallah. So they are divided into two, 14, 14. So inshallah we are saying 13, the first 13 letters of Arabic alphabet. So let's go. The first letter is always alif. It's always alif, not alf. Alf is 1,000. Alif, alif, as you see, alif, as how I've written here. Alif, 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 alif. Ba, ba, ba. We sound b, 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 ba. Ba. Ta, 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 ta. We sound ta, 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 ta. Have tha, tha. So when you look at ba, ta, and tha, the shape is the same. The shape of these three letters are the same. The shapes are the same, but they are differentiated with dots. Ba has one dot below it, ta has two dots above, and tha has three dots above. So don't confuse them. This is ba when it's below, ta when it's over, tha when there are three dots over. Ba, ta, tha. We have jim, jim, sound, j, 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 jim. It has one dot. Ha looks like jim but with no dot. Ha, the light one. Ha, ha, not a ho, no. Ha, very simple. Ha, ha, ha. And remember, when you're reading Arabic, make sure you should always practice while you open your mouth very well. Ha, ba, ta, tha. Make sure that the letters come out clearly when someone listens to what you're reading or what you're saying. Ha, ha, ha. We have kha, the heavy one. Kha, kha, kha. From the word Khadija, kha. So we have these three letters also. The shape looks the same, but they are differentiated with also dots. We have jim that has a dot in between. We have ha that has no dot. We have kha that has a dot over. Hope you're together. Don't confuse the three. This is jim with one dot inside. This is ha with no dot, and we have kha with one dot over. We have dal, sound d, 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 dal. We have dal, which looks exactly like dal but with a dot. Dal has no dot. Dal, th, dal. Remember, dal, you put your teeth, they touch the what? They touch the tongue. Th, th. It's like tha, 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 tha. This is dal. We have ra. Ra, like r, ra. We have zai, which look exactly like Ra, but it has a dot. Hope you're together. Ra, Zai. Sin, like S. Sin. Shin. We have Shin. It has 3 dots. I'm sorry. This is Shin. This is Sin. This is Shin with 3 dots. Sin, Shin. They look the same, but the difference is the dots. Hope you are together. Sin, Shin. Hope you are together. So let's pass through them at once as we repeat them. The first one is Alif. 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 Ba. 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 Ta. 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 Tha. 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 Jim. 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 Ha. 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 That is a ha. That's simple ha. 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 Kha. 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 Dal. 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 Dhal. 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 Ra. 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 Zai. 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 Sin. 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 Shin. 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 And I know you've heard some of these children's anashid where they sing Alifun ba ta'un tha jimun ha'un kha'un dal dhalun ra zayun sin shinun sa. You see, but you are stopping on shin. Alifun ba'un ta'un tha'un jimun ha'un kha'un dal dhalun ra zayun sin shin. Alifun ba ta'un tha jimun ha'un kha'un dal dhalun ra zayun sin shin. Hope these are our 13 first letters of Arabic. So inshallah, next time you're going to add on other 13 letters or other 15 letters to complete the set of the founding letters of Arabic language. So from Alif to Sin, let's pass through it 3 more times, then we finish. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin. So let's come from Shin to Alif. Shin, Sin, Za, Ra, Dhal, Dal, Kha, Ha, Jim, Tha, Ta, Ba, Alif. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I sign out for today.